In this video, we will demonstrate compaction grouting, a process used to repair certain sinkholes that can cause damage to homes and structures. The process starts with an engineering company compaction grout plan containing all of the grout point locations on your property. Grout points are typically spaced approximately 10 feet on center on the perimeter of your structure. These points will be drilled at different angles, allowing Helicon to inject grout beneath all parts of the structure. Ground injection pipes are then drilled into the ground at each point to the proper depth and angle to reach competent limestone, as determined by an engineer. These pipes allow for the grout to be pumped into the soil at high pressure. The grout will seal off the fractured limestone layer, filling voids and compacting the soil, providing strength and creating a cap. Once the injection pipes have been drilled, it is time to begin pumping the grout. The grout is poured from a concrete truck into a specialized pump. It is then pumped through a hose to each injection pipe under pressure. During this process, the structure is monitored closely to ensure there is no movement. An engineer monitors the grout pressure reading, indicating when the soil has been properly compacted or filled at each pumping interval. The injection pipe is then ready to be retracted to the next soil zone. Once the pipe has been removed from the ground, the pumping crew moves to the next grout point on the map. Helicon takes special precautions to respect your property. Your lawn is protected by placing plywood below the drill rig and wood blocks beneath the grout hose. Plywood is also used to protect your walls and windows, and plastic sheeting is used to protect your street. When the compaction grouting process is completed, an engineer will certify your property's safety, and the structure is no longer in danger of sinkhole damage. After successfully completing thousands of compaction grouting projects throughout Florida, you can trust Helicon to repair your sinkhole damage and protect your property.